Hello everyone and welcome to this video. In today's video we are going to learn about lists in Python. So now here I'm declaring a list called fruits. Then inside my lists there are three elements: apple, banana and cherry. So these are the elements of my list called fruits. Now what if I want to print the list? So in order to print the full list, the whole list, simply we use the print function. Then I have this message being shown here like fruits list. Then I have the name of my list here that is going to print the full list for me. If I want to have the print of a single item, I need to write down the name of the list, then the index of that item. And we know that indexing starts from 0 here in Python. So this one has the index 0, 1 and 2. So the first element, if we want to print it, we're going to have this 0 there. And if we want to add a new element to our list, we simply use the append function for the fruits list. And when we reprint the list again, we see that here orange is added.